Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. My name's Martin and this is another review video. Ignore the bags under my eyes. I did a 12-hour shift and I'm still going, but after I review this product, I think I'm gonna clock out. We have today the Wire Smart Cable Dispenser. Now, I already used one of these. This is an awesome tool. It's like having another person on the job. Seriously. This tool, when I first saw it, I'm like, that's a waste of money. After using it, my jaw dropped. It's like having another person. So we were running wire from the new bathroom that we remodeled all the way to the basement. And there's only two of us. We left this gadget in the second floor bathroom. I'm on the first floor at the kitchen, bringing the wire down to the basement, and then my brother catches the wire in the basement and took it all the way to the panel box. And as I pulled this contraption here, fed the wire to me with zero kinks. It was awesome. So we have a little assembly here. Got some instructions. Get everything out of the box. I have all my components laid out on the table. We have our floor support, 2 support sides, center frame, 4 extension arms, a center shaft, cable eyelet, stud support frame, carry handle, hitch pin clip, top center frame cap, and 1 very large washer. It's 3 inches for those that wanted to know. Grab your support center and your 2 support sides. You want to press in here so you can make your connection. Locks in place just like so. Same thing for the opposite side. Okay. Now grab your center frame and your 4 extension arms. And they go like so. Just slide them in. Let me show you that a little up close. See that groove? Simple. Grab your top center frame cap. Take a good look at your support center. This is a washer that's been welded in place. Grab your center shaft with the pinhole facing upward. You can see that. Insert. I forgot to mention there is a bolt in the center also that's welded as well. So now take your shaft and screw it in. Now grab your cable eyelet, and this is where your cable feeds through. And with this end, bring it down to your shaft there. Get your 3-inch washer. Now install your center frame. Your carry handle. Then you can install your hitch pin right in that hole. I'm not going to put it in all the way just yet because I have a few more things I want to show you, but you kind of get the idea. Because once it's in, you just basically now you can carry it. You have some Romex wire that's not on the spool, like this 14-3. You can drop it right over your extended arms like so. And obviously you'll take it out of the package. But I'm not taking it out of the package right now because this is just for demonstration purpose only. Then you'll run your wire through the eyelet right here. Then you could keep pulling that wire with 0 kinks. Now, if your Romex is on a spool, like this 12-2, Just remove this. Get this out the way. The reason why I didn't install the hitch pin is because I know I needed to remove the carry handle, remove the whole center frame, also your frame cap. There's 2 pins or clips on the side. Pop it out just like so. Now remove all 4 of your extended arms. Now install your reel, carry handle, and your pin. Put your cable through your eyelet and just pull. But this is only for demonstration purpose only. I forgot to show you, when you put the whole reel in, you have to install your top cap. Now, there's one part that I did not show you yet. Let's move this over. Here's your stud support frame. So if you're framing a house and there's no drywall up yet, check this out. Instead of installing your floor support center, you would use your stud support frame. If you look on this end, it also has a washer that's welded and a bolt in the center that's also welded, and you will screw in your shaft right there. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate this. I don't have my phone on me, but you'll get the point. I'm gonna show you. Grab your stud support center with your washer facing up. Just picture open wall concept. Plumbing's in. Now you're running electric. That's how it connects. See that? Connect to the bottom, like that. That's not going nowhere. That's what this part is for. It's a beautiful thing. I'm telling you, this is it's a must-have if you're running a lot of electric, because this is like having another person on the job. Your wire comes out nice and straight, no kinks. It's awesome. I loved it. When I first saw this, I bust out laughing. I said, "You don't need that crap." No. After I started using it, no one was on the second floor running that cable down to us. That was just spinning, doing its job, and the cable was coming out so straight. It was awesome. Game changer. So I hope this video helps someone out there. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. And if I find the link to this, I'll leave it for you in the description. Thanks for watching. You have yourself a good one. Please subscribe if you did like this video. It will help me with the YouTube algorithm. See you on the next one. So you'll take your stud support with the washer facing up. See that? Let's do that again. Because the camera's over here. Okay, take 99. It's right there. Let's do that again. I don't know why you can't connect it the first time.